Okay, we're going to be looking at how to divide fractions by fractions. Again, this is just a practice version, so this is more short, sweet, and it gives you some practice questions at the end. If you need or want the longer edition, just simply click in the link for the longer edition with more practice and more detailed information. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's look at these practice problems together. One quick thing that we need to remember is keep, change, flip, or reciprocal. Now, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Keep, 4 over 5, change, and then the reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3 over 1. Next, I will just multiply straight across. 4 times 3, 12, and 5 times 1, 5. And of course, we can't leave it as an improper fraction, so we just simply divide, or see how many times 5 goes into 12. So now I need to convert it back into a mixed number. So in this case, 2 is my whole, 2 over 5. Let's look at number 2. Again, we're going to repeat the same process. Keep, change, reciprocal, or flip. Multiply straight across. I get 14 over 9. Let's next look at number 3. Keep, change my division sign to a multiplication sign, and next flip. 5 over 2. Multiply straight across. 5 times 5, 25, over 8 times 2, which is 16. Again, I can't leave it as an improper. So 25, 16. That goes in there one time. So 1 and 9 over 16. Let's look at our very last one. Keep, change, flip, multiply straight across. 9 times 3, 27. 10 times 2, 20. So in this case, 1 and 7 over 20.